My name is Shelby Collins, and the area of psychology that interested me throughout my studies this summer were the impacts of cognition. More specifically, the way I was able to tailor that to my own life and future career is how the mind and body work together. And with proper nutrition and health, how cognitive functioning can potentially be preserved on a much larger scale within public health. As a nutrition major at Cal Poly within the applied concentration, my hope for the future is to complete my degree and enter the world of dietetics as an RD, or a registered dietitian. As I was able to study psychology this summer, looking at the way nutrition and physiological health can have impacts on mental well-being was of extreme interest to me, and it broadened my perspective for an area I could be involved with in my future career. So what is nutrition? As indicated by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, the definition of nutrition is the process by which foods are ingested and digested in order to absorb and metabolize nutrients. The scope that the public typically uses to understand the idea of nutrition is through the diet, which is what we habitually eat and drink within a particular lifestyle. However, with this in mind, it's also important to understand the idea of malnutrition. When improper diet and unhealthy living fail to provide necessary nutrients for the body, it has a negative impact on various bodily functions, including the cognitive capability of the brain. There has been some research proposing the correlation between malnutrition and cognitive decline, and the area I decided to explore for this project focuses on nutrition and the potential prevention of dementia. So, what is dementia? According to Chapter 1 of Nutrition and Dementia published by the ADI, dementia is defined as a syndrome of cognitive decline, affecting memory, behavior, and function capabilities, seen prevalently in the elderly population. In fact, along with chronic disease, dementia is the most important contributor to the disability and dependence of the elderly on their caretakers. However, dementia is not a normal process of aging, yet there are 7.7 million new cases of it worldwide each year. That's one case every 4 seconds. My focus today is on how the proper nutrition of the public, beginning early in life, can potentially prevent the onset of dementia and cognitive decline in older years. In Chapter 3 of Nutrition and Dementia, published by the ADI, 3 aspects of the diet are used to demonstrate probable nutritional factors that may prevent the cognitive decline that is seen so prevalently today. And the first area of research was focusing on B vitamins. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, B vitamins play a huge role in cell metabolism and are not synthesized by the body alone. Therefore, it's crucial to acquire sufficient amounts of this nutrient through a proper and healthy diet. Vitamin B9, known as folate, and B12 work together and function in the body, and when these vitamins are deficient, homocysteine levels in the brain rise. According to Chapter 3 of Nutrition and Dietetics, published by the ADI, it is proven that high levels of homocysteine in the brain and cognitive decline are associated with each other. Therefore, it is probable that by incorporating more foods that are rich in B vitamins, such as lean meats like turkey and chicken breast and salmon, and some dairy products such as fat-free milk, can provide protection from the cognitive decline and effects of dementia seen later in life. The second area of study are with antioxidants. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, Antioxidants protect the cell functioning by reducing inflammation and free radical damage. Without antioxidants, nerve cells are subjected to oxidative damage and toxic substances that greatly impair brain functionality. By incorporating foods rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, such as citrus fruits, whole grains, and peanut butter, it is possible that cognition can be preserved and the effects of dementia, while aging, can potentially be reduced. The final area of research focused on omega-3 monounsaturated fatty acids, or as dietitians refer to them, MUFAs. According to the American Dietetic Association, these fatty acids cannot be synthesized by the body and therefore remain a crucial aspect of a healthy and balanced diet, especially pertaining to brain health. 22% of the cerebral cortex is composed of phospholipids, and the functions of these membranes are regulated by their fatty acid composition. Chapter 3 of Nutrition and Dementia, published by the ADI, indicates that omega-3s are implicated in neuronal growth and nerve reactions within the brain. Therefore, it is possible that by incorporating foods rich in omega-3s, such as olive oil, salmon, and wheat germ, can have a substantial impact on improving and sustaining cognitive function, while also preventing the decline that we all see in dementia. Overall, the correlation between malnutrition and the onset of dementia has been researched very little, but the concept of preserving cognitive capabilities with a proper diet is widely speculated. With more studies in the future, I believe there is a great opportunity to reduce the onset of dementia in the elderly by preventing cognitive decline through diet in the youth. By someday involving myself in the field of dietetics, becoming an RD, I hope to contribute to the promotion of public health and encouraging others to literally eat smart. Thank you. And these are my works cited.